Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate video exports using FFmpeg GUI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to automate video exports using FFmpeg GUI, then all you gotta do is simply go to FFmpeg website and install it. Once you have installed this, open your system's command line interface, that is your CLI. If you're using Windows, then you can simply tap on the command prompt or PowerShell, or if you're using a Mac OS or Linux, you need to go to the terminal section. After you have done this, you need to navigate to your video folder, create an automation step, and then you can simply use a FFmpeg GUI to have your Shutter Encoded, QWinFF, and these can be done to automate your video export. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.